and welcome to a new episode of CQURE Hacks. Today, we're going to take a look at how a driver that is not on Microsoft's driver block list can be abused to interfere with Microsoft Defender. As you can see, Microsoft Defender is fully enabled and the protection options are turned on. This is important as we want to clearly demonstrate the before and after effect. Now let's download two things: a vulnerable driver that is not currently included in Microsoft's driver block list and a script that searches for specific process names and terminates them. These will help us demonstrate how a legitimate signed driver can be misused. I will unzip the downloaded archive and move the files into a convenient working directory so we can easily access them later. Before doing anything else, let's confirm that Defender is actively protecting the system. I'll run the invoke shellcode command in PowerShell. And as expected, Defender immediately detects the script as malicious and blocks it. This confirms real-time protection is functioning correctly. Let's inspect the driver. I'll open the file properties and navigate to digital signatures. Here we can see that the driver is properly signed, which makes it trusted by the operating system. That's a key detail. Next, let's load this driver. I'll change the directory to where the driver file is located and use the Service Control Manager to create a new Windows service entry. So sc.exe create malicious driver 1 bin path, and then we point to the file that will be loaded when the service starts. Type kernel tells Windows this is a kernel mode driver, not a normal user mode service. Now, let's start the service. We will compile our process killer tool using cargo build release. After compilation, let's navigate to the newly created directory and launch our script. It will run for a few moments. Now let's try running invoke shellcode again. This time, it is no longer flagged as malicious and it's not being blocked like before. Also, the Defender icon disappears from the taskbar. Finally, let's check Task Manager. We'll look for Defender-related processes such as msmpng, NISSRV, MPC-MDRUN, and as you can see, they're no longer running. This demonstrates how a signed driver can be abused to disable security protections. It also highlights why maintaining and enforcing driver block lists and keeping systems updated is critical. Thanks for watching this episode of CQURE Hacks, and see you in the next one.